What's up, everybody? It's Jacob Letman here on the Rideshare Hub. I'm coming to you from Phoenix, where it's so hot outside that if you even think about going outside, it sets your hair on fire. It's that hot. That's science. It's true. Real stuff. It's not. That's a lie. I don't know where that came from. But hey, got a great video for you guys today. Before we kick this thing off and get it going, make sure, if you haven't started driving for Lyft or Uber yet, that you do that right now. You go down into the video description below. We got sign-on bonuses that you can click the links on, follow through, sign up, get sign-on bonuses. And even if you don't plan on driving full-time, don't want to drive a lot at all, do it for a little bit. Get those sign-on bonuses. Make some extra cash. Go on vacation. Buy yourself something nice, like some cool shades. I don't know. Something like that. Anyway, yeah, do that. So let's get this video started. I went through the records, deep in the records, blew the dust off the books, and found the driving history report from the time that I made the most amount per hour driving with Lyft. Oh, yeah. This is juicy. You're going to like this one, you guys. So I drove for 12 hours and 45 minutes. Only 2 days. That was it. 2 days. You know what days they were? New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. 12 hours, 45 minutes. And yeah, really, it was over the span of, well, let's see. When did I start driving? I started driving at 8:15 p.m. New Year's Eve, and I drove straight through until past 4 in the morning. I got home at like almost 5 a.m. Oh, I actually do remember it because someone almost puked in my vehicle, but I jumped out at 2 in the morning, opened the back seat, pulled this girl's head out of my car, and she puked all over the middle of the street. I just parked in the middle of the road in Long Beach, California, 2 in the morning. Yeah, true story. Puke's probably still there. Gross. Okay, so I got home at 5, and then I slept for a little bit, got up, started my first ride at noon the next day, and drove until 4 in the afternoon. Now, looking at this breakdown here, right, I had $266 in rides, $40 in tip money, $10 in cancellation fees. The fees that came out of that was $66.53. Now, here's one you might not know. The incentive guarantee, $142.36. Oh boy. You know what? Lyft used to have way better, cooler bonuses, and now they just don't. So, lame, Lyft. That's lame. It's hurtful. You're hurting my pocketbook. What was that? Okay, so here, I'm going to show you on the screen so you guys can see it as we go down through this. So they had these hourly guarantees where basically if you drove in a certain zone, and you had to stay, here were the stipulations. You had to stay logged on for 50 minutes out of an hour. You had to stay in the zone, and you had to give at least 2 rides within that hour. But if you did all those things, then there was an hourly guarantee. So for example, you see I hit a $125 one. That meant that as long as I gave those 2 rides, even if I didn't make $25, let's say I made $10, then they covered the other $15. It was awesome. So much fun. And you see how much money I made off of it driving that night, New Year's Eve, $142.36. I hit $125 and a $25 guarantee, $145, $360, $230, $220, and $240. So that was a huge chunk. So anyway, big chunk of money off of that. Let's go back to the earnings. So everything all inclusive over those 2 days, 12 hours, 45 minutes of driving, 23 rides given, I made $391.92. And what does that break down to an hour? It's more than 10. It's more than 15. It's more than 20. Over 25. $30.73 an hour. Those were the good old days. The good old days. Yeah, so I made $30.73 an hour. That's the best that I have made, especially over... I mean, I've made more per hour for like an hour if I've had a long ride that was like $45, $50 or something like that. But over that much amount of time, that's the most that I've made. So I just wanted to share that with you. I do believe... Don't quote me on this, but I'm pretty certain that New Year's Eve is the #1 day to drive for rideshare drivers, and I think Halloween is #2, and maybe St. Patty's Day at #3. Do not quote me on that. Could vary by region, but it's right up there at any rate. So there you have it, you guys. That is the real earnings breakdown. And yeah. Oh, actually, I had a question for you guys. Please jump down into the comment section below and answer this for me. I'm serious. I have not received a driving bonus offer from Lyft in over the past month. And so, and my girlfriend did last week, but I haven't in over a month. And I really don't know what's going on. So I'm curious, have you guys been receiving bonus opportunities driving for Lyft? Let me know in the comment section below. Let me know where you drive. And if you have any other comments or feedback, share those as well. Hey, I'm Jacob Lettman. Thanks for watching this video. If you took anything away from it at all, give it a big thumbs up. Appreciate you. And until the next time, everybody, drive safe out there.